Hi, welcome. Today I want to share with you how I make my favorite appetizer snack. This is also great for breakfast. Toasted spam sandwich on a sourdough with tomato, cheese, and onion. And you will need equivalent amount of these ingredients. Cut the onion in small cubes. Cut the spam in small cubes. Cut the tomato in small cubes. Shred the cheese on a bigger hole. Add 1 tablespoon of mayo. Add some dill. Add some parsley. Pinch of salt. And some black pepper. Give that a good mix and cover the bread with the thick layer of the spread. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes or until golden in color. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy!